done. It's a bit windy today, but it comes in gusts and goes, so it's okay right now. My flames are looking good. So I've turned the oven down because it went up to 450 degrees on the center of the stone Celsius. So I'm going to turn it right back straight up to full because that's what I cook on. But the stone is still, even though I put it down on to minimum, it was still like 430 Celsius in the center for at least 10 minutes, so that's good. Right, so I am ready to cook. I'm just gonna give this a wiggle and put this in. I haven't cooked a massive one today for the 16. It's got a nice size. This is my favorite size pizza. Not too big, not too small. Somebody having their hedge cut in the background. Just check this. Ooh. We're nearly done. Okay, let's get this cut up and see what it looks like. Wrap it around so you can see the base, let everything falling off. There. Give this a try. I didn't cook the onions. I'm glad I didn't because I love them like this when they're nice and crispy like that. They get a little fast cook in there. Yes, very nice with the beef. So the white onion, uncooked, chopped, sliced thinly, goes really nice with the roast beef. And this is my crust. Now this dough, it's just been room proofed and cold proofed, no frozen, but it has had a cold proof. And in fact what I've been doing, because I've been in a bit of a rush recently, I've made the dough in the bread maker and then moved the dough then into the fridge for a cold proof straight away, and then I just bring it back to room temperature, so I'm not doing a room proof then a cold proof then a room proof. It just makes the process a bit quicker, and I think I get the same outcomes, to be honest. The taste and everything's the same. There's the base, that's looking good. I like the base having some colour on it like that, very nice. I love this crunchy onion on here. Chipotle sauce on the beef, this one as well. Oh sorry, so any Chipotle sauce, oh wow, that went through my ears. chipotle sauce, got a bit of pineapple and garlic in there. That was really nice on top as well. So it's a good combo with the beef, and I love the white onion. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked it, smash the like button. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.